Hey guys, it's Mr. Hybrid Venom and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a few steps for the streamers and for the gamers and normally who make videos that how to increase their views. So let's begin. So first of all you have to do is download this extension called Tubebuddy. So Tubebuddy Chrome extension. So this first link you have to open it and you have to install it here. You have to click here. So once it's installed successfully, it will be showed in more tools where extensions are there. So it will be here and Tubebuddy is installed correctly. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to go to YouTube. You have to search your channel, like these are my streams. So if I click these streams, you will get a search like this: Tube lyrics, Tube video lyrics, and all the details about it. So most of the time what happens is you are able to see all the details about the videos, like how much the video is getting views, how much the comments have, how much SEO rank, SEO score it is, likes and views, subscribers, etc, etc. Okay, so most of the time people don't know how to use tags. Tags are the most important thing. You have to put, it's very compulsory, and for the best practices it says you have to put high resolution pin commands, hard and this blah 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 blah, etc, etc. So for the tags, what do you have to do? You have to search in, like, if this is a channel. So now for example, for Apex Legends, I put Apex Legends. Okay, so these are all the titles they're having. All you have to do is search, report search predictions, and copy these, copy, and you have to put, you have to edit it here, edit video, and all those things you have to put in descriptions. Okay, so we have to put it here in the description as well as in the tag sections. Okay, all you have to do is put in description as well as in tag section. All you have to do is copy and paste it here, copy paste it here. And yeah, don't forget to push hashtags most of the time. So you will see, like, hashtags makes you, like, tags are most important part over here. Even if you don't put it here, it's fine, but here you have to put hashtags. So what happens, your video, when you search it, it might go up on the list due to the YouTube algorithm, the search engine optimization. Like, it makes your video get very faster, like search is very faster, and your video might get viewed for many users as well. Okay, so it will get more impressions than the normally what you do. So yeah, so first of all, what I did, like, I was not having these tags, like so for the season 9 and PC. So for example, if I remove these tags, okay, I will cut them and save it. So for yours, and I will go behind. So what happens, my search engine optimizations were like, it's 100 now. Okay, so first, if you are not having 100, for example, I remove few types of tags and all. Okay, I will remove season 9 from here and PC from here. Okay, and I will save it from the tags. So now you can see my SEO score is 75%. Okay, my SEO score is 75. But what I did, I put season 9 in PC on the title, then I put it on the description here by putting hashtags. I will paste it back again, and I'll put the tags here on the tag sections. So season 9, enter, and PC. You can see PC build PC. There are so many things here. This is very nice tool, by the way. PC, okay, and I will save it back again. So I will go back. So you can see it goes back to 100. So all you have to do is see how much, like what type of words you can put on your title. Like if there are good amount of words, like very related to your gaming, related to your music, related to any kind of stuff, you can put it in the title as well as in the description of the channel. The tags for the description of the channel here, and you can put it in the tag sections here. Okay, so I'm sorry, it's here. So it's even like it shows all the stuff. There are so many stuff. Tubebuddy helps you, but I'm not, this is not a sponsor video for Tubebuddy. I'm just recommending that most of the streamers don't know about this stuff, and most of the gamers, like they also don't have any ideas, or the people who are making videos right now, they are not putting tags. So I was like, yeah, this video is helping me to gain more knowledge to others, like to give more knowledge to others. So I was like, why not to make a video about it and help others? So this method helped me a lot to increase my CEO score. So that what happens whenever someone search my title or like anything, they will get that recommendation or the video where they can see on my list. Like you can, if you search it like Apex Legends Season 9 PCs, you will be able to see it here. Like for example, I will show you Apex Legends. I will put the same title here, Apex Legends Season 9, copy, paste. Okay, and I will search it. So what happens, you will see that my video is on the top right now. Look in the search engine, it's on the top. It's like 25k views, 114k views, but here it is on the top. I have to put more like more words, like season 9, best epics season 9, advanced epics season 9, and all the advanced epic settings and all the stuff. But it's a streaming it was for a streaming title, so I have to put Apex Legends Season 9 PC. So I have put it. So this will help you a lot to gain more, like more views. And one more step is to go to Google and type key planner, keyword planner. Okay, this is the second step. You can use this, and here is the site where called using the right keywords to use. Okay, Google Ads. All you have to do is open this one. So as you can see, it's a keyword planner. So click it, go to keyword planner. Discover new keywords. Now, for example, if I type free fire key and enter and get result. So now you can see all the tags, like keywords are there: Garena, Free Fire Max. These are all the keywords. It's like top of the page bit low range. You can see all the top of the bit range shown here. and these are the like a high range shown. So you can use these as a tags like Karina Free Fire, Karina Max, Free Fire Game, Diamond, everything you can use it. So all you have to do is copy these. So copy all, and put it in the descriptions. Okay, like this is not a Free Fire video, but yeah, you have to do it in, put it in the description with the hashtags, put it in the tag sections here. And this method also helps you to gain more tags, like more viewers as compared to what you're not doing right now. Okay, and for the final tip I will like to give is to increase the views and to add more tags, to use the Tubebuddy tag. Okay, like you use the Tubebuddy, where you can see if you click on the search, like if I click any video like this, and you can see the whole this details and all. Yeah, SEO is very less, so we will not go for this video. Where SEO is more, we will go for it. Okay, so you can see 70% SEO score. All we can do is you can use these tags as well, like you have to copy on the clipboard. Okay, you copied it on the clipboard, go to your video and straight away paste it here. Okay, like you have to paste it here, and all you have to do is put hashtags in it, like hashtags. Okay, this also will gain you more. Give me a minute, I'll put all the hashtags, like, yeah. So these can also help you like gain like more views on your stream, on your videos, by putting tags, by putting it in the tag section and in the description section as well. If you are new to the gaming world, or if you're new to the streaming world, you should try this. Most of the time people don't share things, but yeah, I feel like just sharing and helping you guys. So if this video help you to increase your SEO score, or it helps to get tags, so please make sure to subscribe and like the video. If there is any kind of queries you have, you can comment on the video. I will comment all the, like I will try to solve all the queries you have. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Please, please, please like and subscribe. Thank you.